Hey Glam family, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Simone and we get glam over here. So if y'all want to keep watching anything that has to do with glam, then go ahead and subscribe and like this video and comment down below what y'all want to see next. But without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. Okay, so I do have tape ends right now, so what I'm doing is just refreshing them, making my hair look decent. So I'm just taking some Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and I'm putting this on my hair. You know, it helps with frizz, that's what it said. And I'm also using this heat protectant by IC Fantasia. I believe that's the brand. So yeah, I'm just using these two products just to give it some sleek and shine, bring the hair back to life. And for those of you who do not know, I am natural. I've been natural for some years now. But yeah, I felt like recording just because I didn't have anything else to do this day. So I was like, why not record myself flat iron my hair with these tape ends? So that is just what we are doing. And if you don't know how to flat iron your hair with extensions, then yeah, you can keep watching. I don't want to ramble throughout this video because everybody should know how to flat iron their hair. So yeah, thank y'all for watching and tuning into today's video. Let me know what y'all want to see. You know, give me some insights of what y'all want to see as far as makeup. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. And once again, thank y'all for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. All right, talk to y'all later. Okay, so I'm back. I used my flat iron on 420 or 430 degrees. You can go to 500 if you feel like it, but I just did that. And I ended up doing one half of my head off camera just for the sake of the video, because you know, flat ironing your whole head can take a couple hours. But yeah, I just did the other one half of my head, so you guys are gonna see me flat iron the other side.